Hello everybody, welcome to our channel. Today in this quick video I will be showing you how to change age in Brawl Stars. Let's begin. There are two different ways. The first way is to access settings in your Brawl Star game. Make sure that you log in with your Supercell ID. Then after that select help and support. After that head to accounts. Then tap on the message icon on the top right of your screen. From here, tap on leave a message under contact us. Now this is where you'll have to chat and explain your problem. Now telling your problem here will eventually help you to change the age in your Brawl Star game. Here the other simpler way to change the age in Brawl Star app if you have just started playing the game is head back to your in-game settings. Then from there tap on ID under the Supercell ID. Now the Supercell ID window will show up. Now here tap on the gear icon and you will see a logout option. Click on it and next time you can select to play without Supercell ID. Doing this you'll be able to change age in Brawl Stars. I hope you find this video useful. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.